Now we're going to organize the files within Premiere Pro itself.
And again, we're going to make some folders, but this time within Premiere Pro. If you've just got a small project, there's no need for this. But in case you have multiple sources, try to use folders. Another way of doing this is by simply importing the previous created folders itself, instead of only the footage. Down here you see a small folder icon. Just press once on it. And as you can see, we've just created our first folder called bin. Now we can rename the folder to what we want. I will call this folder video. Now I'm going to select all the footage by pressing on the last video and holding shift while pressing the first. Then just drag the files into your folder and release the mouse. As you can tell, this folder now contains 24 files. I will just repeat this process for the rest of my sources, like graphics and audio. So now I will import some audio. I first open my audio folder within Premiere and then press Ctrl or Command I. Another way of doing this is by right-clicking and pressing Import. Now just search for your audio files and press Open. I will now repeat this process for the graphics. Now we have all our footage imported.